everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. I am doing a layout with these two photos of my stepson and his family on Father's Day this past year. So I'm going to mount them on this green and blue diagonal stripe paper. That's from the Jen Hadfield patio party collection. Pretty much everything that I'm using is from Jen Hadfield here. I'll tell you when it's not. But anyway, so that's from the patio party collection from the 12 by 12 pad. And I think I've talked about this in my last couple layouts that I've really been trying to use up those pads. So I'm kind of looking at this and I was thinking about using that blue dot paper, the big light blue dot paper, and decided instead to do a big chunk of green here. That green leaf paper is from the My Bright Life 12 by 12 pad. And then that background, which is the navy with the gold dots in it, is from the Patio Party 12 by 12 pad. That Father's Day card there is a 3 by 4 card from Ellie's Studio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that green paper and I'm going to mount it way to the right there, or all the way to the right. And then just leave a little space of the navy to the left. That will be, we'll leave a big space there for a title, or in this particular case, not to spoil it, but I decided not to do a title, just to leave some open, quote, white space, even though that white space is green. All right, so I have that die cut there that says hello, and it's kind of like a card. That's from the My Bright Life die cuts. And then I have these two tags, one that says love you, and then the one that says feeling blessed there. And that is from the My Bright Life 12 by 12 pad, the cut apart sheet, or one of the cut apart sheets. So now I'm going through just some of the die cut pieces that I'm thinking about using. And I decided I really like this camera, but I don't really want to do the little card part and the saying. And I'm just going to fussy cut it out of that die cut card. So here's one of those cases where I am making an embellishment work for me instead of the other way around. I do like to cut them out of cards like this, especially when there's a lot of words in collections, which there definitely are with this one. It's very word heavy. So I like that teacup plant, or the plant in the teacup, but this is a layout about my stepson. So I'm not sure I'm loving that. I do go to the My Bright Life stickers there though, and I think about adding in that other little plant sticker. It's another cactus, another succulent there. So that's sitting on there right now. Now it is pink. That tag has a lot of pink on it, but the camera at the top left also has pink. And I am not above using pink on boy layouts. Plus his wife and daughter are sitting on that, are in the photo there too. Now I will say they are largely outnumbered by the boys. All right, so I'm looking at that heart and thinking, can I cut that out and put this over the plant? Is it big enough, the planted cup? So fussy cutting that. And what happens is I can't get it all the way over the plant, but I definitely can get it over the teacup. So I take the other teacup off, and that kind of solves the problem of it having a tea theme. Because that is not what this is. I know my stepson drinks a lot of coffee. I don't think he necessarily drinks tea. And I guess you would drink a lot of coffee too if you were a stay-at-home dad to 4 kids, especially during the pandemic. Okay, so I'm kind of feeling like I'm really liking the way this is starting to come together. And I'm thinking it is now time to start getting things ready to go on. So in order to do that, I want to ink edges just because the quality of this paper isn't so great, so you really see the white edge. So I'm going to ink everything with my Memento Dewdrop ink in gray flannel, at least if I've cut it. I'm going to do that. So sorry, that's going to take me a little bit. I've really been working on those paper pads lately. I think it all started because for September, for our stash video, Rachel and I did did our paper pads video, and I feel like I didn't do a great job with that because I only used 2 pieces of paper from the paper pad. But like here, I'm using a ton of things from the paper pad. I think part of it was the paper pad I chose was, it didn't have like things you could cut apart and that kind of a thing from it. So it was a little bit harder to do that. All right. So I'm just being careful here that I'm not lining the blue card up exactly with the edge of the green paper there. So my ATG was giving me some fits here. All right. And sometimes I'll just hold things down as I glue them on. In this particular case, I felt pretty confident that I could kind of move things around here. All right, and you're seeing the very last pieces from my huge roll of foam tape there. Spoiler, you'll see it used up in the next video. And I decide to put that camera on the left side, and then I have this chipboard piece. I know it says hello in 2 places there. It says it on the card and then on that wood grain chipboard piece, which is from the patio party chipboard, but I needed the wood, so I did it anyway. And no other wood pieces really worked very well. All right, and then I had that die cut arrow there. And that came from the patio party die cuts that says party this way. And party just because, you know, there's so many of them. I think they did have her dad over for Father's Day as well, too. So they had a little bit of a gathering. All right, I'm really liking the way this look. And I'm just going to title this Father's Day from the card. I'm not actually going to put a title on there. I could have, but I decided not to. So now I'm just going to go through my twine here, and I'm going to use some like a lighter aqua, and that is from the Paper Studio, which is the Hobby Lobby brand. It's a big pack of twine. Like, I don't know, you get 12 rolls or something in different colors, which is nice because I have whatever I pick up, I pretty much have twine. All right, then I am grabbing these matte dots from Freckled Fawn, and I'll add 3 of them in each of the clusters. And I like just that little finishing touch in the different texture. Something other than paper. There's a lot of paper on here. Just playing around with these dots. I do love the My Bright Life and the Patio Party paper pads, but I do need to really work on using those up. And they are nice. They're great for summer photos. All right, guys, so I am just about finished. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.